Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today is our third video. So in today's video, we will learn about heading tags, marquee tags, pre-tags and horizontal tags. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So basically you can see here that I have already created a structure of HTML. So our time will not get much wasted. So first I will teach you about the pre-tag. So basically pre-tag is a pre-formatted text tag. It preserves the spaces and line breaks on the text. So that means whatever I will write inside the pre tag in this VS code source code, it will be similarly displayed on the web page. So to see how much line did pre tag preserve, I will use the horizontal tag. That is, I will display use two horizontal line to see how much space did pre-tag preserve. So for horizontal line, we use tag hr. Suppose, and now I have to give the color to the horizontal line. So I will use color equal to green, and I will close the tag. So now I have to close the pre-tag. So what I will again I will use a horizontal line, and I will give color equal to yellow. I will close the horizontal tag. Let's see if we can see the pre-tag and horizontal lines. So you can see here two horizontal lines are displayed, green and yellow, and the space between these two lines is preserved by the pre-tag. So let's see what happens if we write some text inside the pre-tag. So I will write hello, hi, and what. So you can see I have written hello, hi, what in two different lines, and I didn't use any BR tag, that is break tag. So let's see if it will be displayed similarly like it is written in the source code or in the same line. So Control S, just go to the web page and refresh it. So you can see the way I have written the hello, hi, what in the source code, it is similarly displayed inside the pre tag in the web page. So let's see if I will what will happen if I write if I write this three word outside the pre tag. So just delete it from the inside of the pre tag, and I will just paste outside the pre tag and save the video. Let's see if it will be displayed in the similar line, or like it is like, or it will be displayed like it is written in the source code. So you can see here hello, hi, what is displayed in the same line outside the pre tag. So now you can basically understand what is the difference between writing the text inside the pre-tag and outside the pre-tag. So now I will tell you about what are heading tags. So basically in HTML there are six heading tags: H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. H1 is given the most priority and H6 is given the less priority. And H1 font size is the biggest and H6 font size is the smallest. So you can basically say that for the main headings of any web page we use H1 tag, and if any main heading has the subheadings, then we use other heading tags like H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. So let's see the font size difference of all the heading tags. H1, so I will write in every heading tag high, and let's see the difference of the font size in them. H3, H4, H5, H6. Let's see the output. So you can see H1 tag text has the biggest font size and H6 has the smallest font size. So now we will learn about the marquee tag. So basically why we use marquee tag. So by using marquee tag, we can move our text from one direction to another direction on the web page. Like I have to move my text from the left to right. So I will use marquee tag Let's see how it works. So be aware of the spelling, because if you write the tag spelling only wrong, the tag will not work. So now I suppose I have to give the background color for the particular moving text only in the marquee tag. So what I will do, marquee, then bg color equal to, suppose I will give it black. Okay, and I will give the direction, and now I have to mention the direction from where the text should move. So I will give direction equal to left, means my text will move from left to right, and I will close the marquee tag. Now I have to just mention font size and color. Size equal to 10 and color equal to white. Close the font tag, and now I will write the text which I want to display on in the marquee tag. So I will write hi html guy. Now just what I have to do is control S, save it, and just go and see if the, so you can see by using marquee tag the text is moving from left to right, what I have displayed. Suppose I have to make my text move from right to left, up to down, or down to up. So what I will do, just I will go here, I will copy this text. Instead of writing, I will just paste it three times. Control V, Control V, Control V. And now I will just change the direction. Right, up, down. And I will give the color of the font as yellow, pink. Wait, not pink, orange. And this as red. So let's see the output. Just go to the web page and I guess something went wrong. Let me see what has happened. So color है 10 है, font है, up है, down है, BG color marquee tag up, size है, color है, हाँ HTML. Oh wait a minute, I didn't save the file. Now you can see, now it will be work. So now you can see file is moving from right to left, left to right, up to down, and down to up. So that's it for the day. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching it. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.